welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Uthando Nesithembu. Umseleko was sitting with his wives over dinner. They're watching an episode of Uthando Nesithembu. Kuvela that clip umseleko enompumelelo becula ingoma yabo ye abahambayo sosala sincenga. Acike-ke uMangwabe ukuthi hawu kahle what is it that you're trying to achieve with this song? Ucele wayicula wedwa weza wayicula nabantu bakayicele manje usuyicula nendodana yakho uMpumelelo. Yini kahle ufuna uyizuza ngale ngoma? And then Umseleko says ukuthi uMphathweni Mpumelelo wants to marry this new girl that is singing uKacele. Emenze a first wife before uVuyokazi noTirelo. Athi uMusa inebungozi lento afuna ukuyenza and because yena he does not feel ukuthi uMpumelelo is ready because noma ulwa namakhosikazi you must still go to their houses even if uma wakhe akangiphakeli I still go to your house. Athi umayeni kanti uke weza nini kwami ngingakuphakeli wena athi I was just making an example athi hayi cha ungayenza example ngami yimini umama kaMpumelelo. And then uMacele feels jealous ukuthi uMusa had taken uMangwabe out to talk about issues in their relationship. uMangwabe nje engacekanga kudinga yakhona athi ungathi ungayenza masinya sizohamba. Athi uyabuza ukuthi nje uthando lusavutha yini athi konje yini uthando. Athi uMacele I think Macele was jealous because she was like at least uMusa wayenza effort kuMangwabe. Unlike Kuye, he just makes the comments, without making effort. And then finally, they show us the clip of Musa Amita the number 5 at the restaurant. They didn't show us the face, they just showed the body. And then the wives are like, okay, I hope I was kombisiena. And then but hey, finally, Mangwabe claps for him, Macele ululates. Athi finally wangena number 5. uMakhe wavela wathi yazi nangihlangene I've been saying this angingene ka number 5 uzoba unkosikazi kwaMusa not owami. And then athi uMusa fine ungenile number 3. Angitho abanye bathe bayahamba referring to Mayeni and uMangwabe. They said they're leaving when number 5 comes. So sho ukuthi manje number 3 lo. Athi uMangwabe yena vele yena kajiki. She did say that uma afika lo uzoba number 4 because yena uzobe ngesekho uyahamba if ufika number 5 uzoba number 4. And then athi uMacele abuza ukuthi manje umlobolile yini. Athi Mseleko yes I'm sure you said I must not bring girlfriends and side chicks. Sengimlobolile ngamletha nini uzombona. Athi ha masomlobolile even tomorrow you can bring him. And then uMayeni abuza ukuthi manje who is this lady wakabani. And then athi uMacele cha akwazi ukumtshela ngaye manje akwazi ukumtshela la athi uMusa no I can't discuss ukuthi ubani wakabani lana because I made an agreement noMacele ukuthi ngizomthulela yena kuqala number 5 before ngiyazisani nabanye so I can't do it in front of her ngitshele wena athi manje thina bosisaphi if you wanted this should have been your dinner with uMacele because you want to tell her I won. And then bathi ayingene ke uMacele and then they had an altercation athi begcina sebephikisana sebayihlekela uMbali noThobile ukuthi hey sebayalwa ke omamkhulu. And then bathi begcina sebephikisana ukuthi hawu ingena phi indaba zami nobaba wami. Athi uMayeni hawu uMacele uma wakho yini because mina I'm asking this question as your wife uMacele na is your wife now I'm asking this question as your wife. Athi uMacele yena mato nizoyikhuluma nodwa le izivumelana sami nobabakhe futhi nje wangena indaba zami nobabakhe. Athi uMayeni cha ngeke ngize ngene indaba yakho nihlangana phi neindaba zakho I would never I'm asking this now because nami ngifuna ukwazi. Athi agcine nje sacekile uMacele athi uMusa cha wena sofuna ngicabanga noMacele I made a promise to her I'm not going to break it. And when I was introducing this issue you were not interested manje sofuna ukuthi ungicabanga noMacele. Umuntu bekade enceda emuntu wengisupporta with this issue. And then bagcina bavumelana ke ukuthi they only going to do it separately noMayeni. And then uMayeni ke athi kuMseleko manje uzoba nayo yini energy since so lethu unkosikazi wesi5 uzoba nayo yini energy wonke namakhosikazi wakho because asifuni thina ufike kithi sokhathele sobona ingane encane. And then athi uMseleko hayi ngizoba nathi phela asifuni thina ugcina so 2-minute noodles. Athi uMseleko ayisuyadelela wena ngiyayithemba I'll be fine. And then athi uMacele yazi ngiyivela lengane she's so excited ukuthi uzoba unkosikazi kaMusa akwazi ukuthi kuyashisa la ngikhumbula uMangwabe was also excited when she came here. Umafika uMangwabe was also excited. Bheka kunjani manje? She was also very excited. Naye le uzobona mesafikile, uzosha azathi abheke ngasesangweni abone ukuthi yazi kanti lo baba unjani, ethwele izandla ekhanda. Nje if I was you, kube ngisitholela, kube ngiphuma ekhehleni, asintombazane iphuma ekhehleni uthola umuntu olingana nawe. Ngoba la uzokhala la. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.